This question, a 1.2 meter long metal bar is moving at 0.1 meter per second as shown over here. And the dimensions are zero point 0.5 meters and 1.2 meter, and there's a magnetic field of 0.3 Tesla, and that is directed out of the page. Out of the page means let's represent it by dots. And value of the resistance is 40 ohms. So we'll find the absolute value of the induced current. Okay, pretty straightforward. For absolute value of the induced current, we know that the induced current is EMF over the resistance, and EMF is nothing but BVL. So BVL over R is the value of B, magnetic field, that is 0.3 Tesla, velocity is 0.1, and the length is 1.2 meters. Resistance is given as 40 ohms. So this value comes out as 0.3 times 0.1 times 1.2 over 40, which is coming as 9 times 10 raised to negative 4 ampere. This is the value of the current. What is the direction of the induced current? So direction will be given by Lenz's law, right? The direction will always try to oppose the cause. So cause is the moving bar, which is over here, because it is increasing the area and hence increasing the flux. So the force should definitely act over here. So if the for the force to act over here, using the right hand rule, now we put our index finger of the right hand towards the current, and the middle finger should be towards the magnetic field, and the magnetic field is already given to us, which is out of the page. And the force, the thumb will actually give the direction of the force, which like we deduced should be over on the left. Should be over on the left. So if we put our right hand like this, such that the middle finger is out of the page and the thumb is, towards the left, so the index finger is actually pointing downwards, which means that this will be the current. So the current is moving. The direction will be downwards. I would say that the current is moving downwards, perhaps on the, as indicated over here. And do you expect the bar to accelerate or decelerate? So in a way, we have already answered that, because the force will definitely act towards the left. Left means definitely the acceleration is towards the left, the velocity is towards the right. So definitely it is going to decelerate as the force is towards the left. Thank you.